Hey guys, so in this how-to video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install a virtual machine on your computer. So basically, you have a lot of options to choose from if you want to try and test a virtual machine. So you have one from Oracle, which is what they call VirtualBox, and we also have one from Microsoft, which is called Hyper-V. It's embedded in Windows 10. But today we're gonna try running the one being offered by VMware, which is Workstation Player. So to do this, you just need to download the software from their website. Alright, so I'm gonna leave the link of their website from where you can download the software on the description box below. Alright, so from their website, all you gotta do is click on download, and then go to downloads, and then choose the one for Windows, basically, and then hit on download now. So I'm not gonna download it here, as I've already downloaded the installer a while ago. But once you've finished downloading the installer, all you gotta do is to open it and run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. Hit on next, and then accept the terms and agreement. Hit on next again, and then don't need to change anything here. Click on install, and then just wait for it to finish the installation. Alright, then once done, so you have an option here to choose license, but basically you can just click on finish. Since we're not gonna use it commercially, we're just going to use it for personal use, right? So hit and finish, and then it should pop up with your icon. Let me just drag the icon here, shortcut, and then let me open it up. Again, just click on continue. No need for a license key, and hit on launch, and there you have it. We have the VMware Workstation. Alright, so from here you have an option to create a new virtual machine and install the OS of your liking and run it on that virtual machine. So I have another video showing how to install Windows OS on a virtual machine. So please, guys, check it out, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya.